and that's if the area is for the pattern SSS. Again, if it's SAS, you're going to use the 1/2 side times included angle, or the sine of the included angle. If you see SSS, you're going to use what's called Heron's formula. Okay, and this formula is the following. The area is the square root of S times the difference between S and each of the individual sides, okay, where S is called the semi-perimeter. And that means that it's the perimeter, A plus B plus C, divided by 2, semi-perimeter. Okay, so that's what the Heron's formula indicates. So if you have a triangle with these 3 side lengths, what you're going to need to do in order to calculate them is you first need to know what your S value is. So 1/2 of 8 plus 16 plus 15. So if we go 8 plus 15 plus 16, divide by 2, we get 19.5. So there's our S value. And then the calculation that you're going to use is going to be area is equal to that value, 19.5, times the difference between that semi-perimeter and each individual side. So 19.5 times the first side length, which was 8, times 19.5 minus the second side length, 16, times 19.5 minus the third one, 15. Okay, and so that would be your calculation. And if we perform that calculation, square root of 19.5 times the quantity 19.5 minus 8 times 19.5 minus 16 times 19.5 minus 15. Close that off and then close off the square root. I've already entered decimals, so my answer will display as a decimal. I get 59.43. The units here are square inches, but that would be my solution.